Hey guys, this is Shaista and welcome to my channel ShinyShaista, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to wear your hijab in style. So it is very easy and quick style. Without any ado, let's get started. Guys, this is very easy hijab style, and at the same time it is very quick hijab style. You can make this hijab style in less than a minute, and I hope guys you are going to try this hijab style, and do upload picture on Insta and tag me there on Instagram. So okay, so here is my ID, that is ShinyShaista, and you can write me a mail also, that is ShinyShaista@gmail.com. Do share this video, do comment, do like. Thank you for watching guys.